Hey!
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Is this for tomorrow?
Yeah,
Okay.
ready for tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's cook now.
Preparation for food for tomorrow. Oh wow.
You eat.
Well, we're eating already. We took everybody, the teenagers.
Yeah. We've been there in Lapu-Lapu.
Oh wow.
Diving.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Go Esther.
Nag-diving kami na.
Oh. Liquor ban to rin, liquor ban. Sorry.
No more drink.
Yeah, may pagtakang.
Okay. What do we have in here?
Dago. Bami, pancit.
Oh okay.
Dago. Chot. Kibaw.
So they're just cooking, preparing all the food for tomorrow.
Tomorrow's election.
Tomorrow's election. What time do you get the results?
Evening.
Evening. Okay. So liquor ban to the evening. So this is all day food or just after the election? This.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will give this one food in the morning.
In the morning. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
For breakfast, then the watchers,
Yeah.
the canvassers.
Okay. All preparation works. Yeah. The head of the clan.
Why maka
The godfather.
why maka
Father.
Yes, grandfather.
dami lang magdami
Ay,
sila.
Oh,
Is that the foot of the pig? I mean the cow. The cow foot.
with manicure, pedicure.
What is that? Cow foot? Oh, cow.
No,
Cow
pig.
feet.
Pig.
That's pig, yo. Here.
Oh,
Here, the shine. With matching
what's that?
This one.
The ears.
the intestine
Oh,
of
the
the pig.
The intestine of the pig.
Here, oh, like, we could have. Day, ano ito nga napansin? Dasit.
Preparation of the food for tomorrow.
Yes.
Election. Is it for the voters and
The canvassers, the watchers.
what time are you going to start serving food?
Serving food?
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock?
Yeah.
In the morning?
Yeah. Because the election is 6 o'clock open.
Panday! Day! Ilan ka dito? Yan na. Ayaw pa.
see this bit as well. Chopping up the meat.
And then we will put it in the pack lunch.
Right, okay. Yellow noodles. Rice noodles. And it smells good too. So all of this has to be cooked tonight. Yeah. And it's heavy rain outside. So in goes the yellow noodles. Look at that. It's yummy. No heat, no heat.
Because it's cooked already.
Yeah, yeah. Ew. So I should turn the heat down because it's already cooked already, but it smells delicious. Okay, we're leaving now, so we have to go.
I'm starring.
You're sorry. You're sorry.
Starring.
Yes, sorry, yes.
I think we have 3,000 views.
Yeah.
I hope so. Starring.
Sorry. It smells delicious in there as well.
Yummy.
It smells absolutely delicious, yummy. Okay, we have to go.